Welcome to another month in the Jarring Science Club. This month we will be focusing on the NGSS standard KESS 3-3, which is how to reduce the human impact on air, earth, and water. How can we reduce pollution and make the world a better place for plants, animals, and humans? This month we will be making models of the three main types of pollution in jars. We will be doing our own recyclable test to see how long it takes different types of paper to decompose in soil. We will be simulating our own oil spill cleanup, and we will be making a model of how pollution can cause damage to plants and food by making a pollution simulation model using Celery. If this is your first month in the club, this is how things work here. Each Monday, a new lesson is released. You'll get the videos and you'll get the worksheet lesson outline and the lesson plan packet. You can download that and print it out for however many kids or students you're working with. Print the worksheets for each of them, and then you'll come back and you will do your lesson, and then you will watch the videos, and then you can either take the quizzes that are included in the lesson packet, or you can come back into the member portal and take the quiz there. All right, can't wait to see you in there.